key news we have today: Dr. Kizza Besigye collapsed in court, and also Muwanga Kivumbi also was discovered at Natete and later on taken to Butambala court. But Kizza Besigye, his case was proceeding with the Obeid Lutale, with presence of Justice Emmanuel Baguma. Then this veteran politician collapsed. Besigye was demonstrating the court process, how court has conducted his case, this prison case. And by the way, his personal doctor, Dr. Olive Kousinji, was unable to access him. So in this clip, on the screen, you can see Dr. Besigye. This is for Muwanga Kivumbi appearing in Tamba, and that is Dr. Kizza Besigye was shouting. Let me put the sound here and you hear it.
Stop. With who? Stop. With Dr. Kizza Besigye, with Frank Kahiri, and Joel Wakahima. You
Dr. Kizza Besigye.
Stop. With who? With.
See, yeah? I was saying stop. And suddenly collapsed. Stop. Kizza Besigye saying stop.
You plan with who?
So that's what happened for today in these courts. By the way, the case of Dr. Kizza Besigye is very interesting. Dr. Kizza Besigye's case is very interesting. When you look at him, according to this case, they have put different provisions or guidelines on how these people are supposed to access court. For instance, this is what actually trending on social media, all over trending. So according to Ronald Muhinda, says Kizza Besigye collapsed in court as he protested Emmanuel Baguma's injustices to commence trial against Besigye and Lutale without lawyers. Baguma had called regime witness Andrew Wilson, known as this is just to take, I think it's called Orlando, to take the witness stand and testify against Besigye. KB's situation is critical. This was today. He was actually rushed, for emergency medical care after fainting in court. So that's what is happening on all over social media. Dr. Besigye there being rushed to court after fainting. Told by Galaxy. So things are not easy for Dr. Kizza Besigye. Tensions outside the court after prison officers blocked access. Dr. Kizza Besigye was taken away from court over health concerns. Besigye, of course, refused state-appointed lawyers. Said no, I don't want state-appointed lawyers. State-appointed lawyer Julius Rwambala and Sarah Awere have made their first court appearance to represent Dr. Kizza Besigye and Dennis Obiala. Bano Besigye abagana yagamba no, we don't want these state-appointed lawyers. And also People's Front for Freedom, they have released the statement saying breaking our leader Dr. Kizza Besigye has collapsed in High Court while protesting injustices by Emmanuel Baguma. The situation is critical, yet his personal physician, Dr. Olive Kousinji, currently denied access as per the judiciary guidelines. No prison doctors and present court. So check here. Earlier on, they released the statement whereby the judiciary blocked access of media in court, live streaming actually there's full censoring of how court should conduct these the trial of Dr. Kizza Besigye. Let me check here more statements here. Here, if we can read the statement, says as part of the wider security plan, the following steps have been put in place at the criminal division of the High Court in the trial of Uganda vs. Dr. Kizza Besigye. Hajo Bede Rutale and the Captain Dennis Oyola. These will facilitate the orderly, secure, and efficient conduct of the proceedings while safeguarding the right to a fair and public hearing. 1. Access to the courtroom where the trial is being conducted will be strictly for select court staff, judicial and non-judicial. Just to be for court staff, judicial and non-judicial. The accused persons, state and defense attorneys, accredited media, and members of the public admitted subject to available space. So now they are censoring. If you for journalists, public, they will be censoring. They're now censoring who should access. Then let me bring it a little bit. Then all journalists intending to cover the trial should secure prior accreditation from the Judiciary's public relations officer, who can be contacted on that. The court promises, the court reserves the right to limit the number of court reporters in court depending on the space available. Okay. Journalists will be required to submit their gadgets. Then still and video cameras, audio recorders, laptops, and any other relevant gadget for screening by security every time they come to cover the proceedings. Any request for live broadcast of court proceedings will be made to the public relations officer, and request will be considered case by case basis, on case by case basis. Photography and videography not restricted. Images in court and it will not be restricted. Use of communication gadgets such as mobile phones, tablets, and other also devices have been restricted. So everything all things have been restricted. Live streaming, phones, cameras, gadgets, and access have been restricted. So no more going just to saying I'm going. Even if public, they will have to screen you. Yes, if you really fit to be in the court premise of Dr. Kizza Besigye. So we have those training news from then Muwanga Kivumbi. So Lop says we are at Butambala Magistrates Court, where Muwanga Kivumbi has been charged with inciting violence and holding an unlawful society. So that is happening in Butambala. Butambala si yangu. Yes, if into si yangu. That is leader of opposition Joey Rusenyonyi in Butambala, where Muwanga Kivumbi has been charged with inciting violence and holding unlawful society. Kansomegona bada Uganda bana mawulire saying Muwanga Kivumbi, who has been remanded until August 11, further proceedings in court. So on charges of incitement to violence. That's what we have. According to Joe Resonyon says, Honorable Muwanga Kivumbi has told the court about the regular beatings he has had to endure for the last 19 days of incommunicado detention, including an injury to his head that caused severe bleeding. These violations of the law are what continuously soil our country's image, only for government to place the blame elsewhere. He has been remanded to Kitalya Prison until 11th August 2026, when the court will make a determination regarding today's bail application. So August 11, when Muwanga Kivumbi will be back to court, the court to determine on his bail application on 11th of August 2026, next month on 11th. That's when court will decide on his bail application, but he has been remanded to Kitalya Prison that is according to the leader of opposition, Yoweri Senyonyi. That is Honorable Muwanga Kivumbi at court. Heavy security deployment. Yeah, heavy security. Security badde y'amaanyi wano. Muwanga Kivumbi at court. Look at this picture, frame 2. You can see leader of opposition, Joe Senyonyi, a Secretary General of NUP, and Muwanga Kivumbi lawyers at Kampala court. Then Joe Senyonyi having conversation with Muwanga Kivumbi at court. So today it was a busy day. It was a very busy day in the Besigye case and the Muwanga Kivumbi's case in Butambala. So thank you for watching.